Hey everyone, it's Junaid from Meninfluencer. Hope you look good, feel good and are ready to prosper, because in this video I want to talk about face shape, because there's a lot of people out there that always talk about you need to have this chiseled chat face shape or you're simply doomed. But I don't really believe in that. I think that everyone has their own facial harmony, but even if I were to believe that, in this video I'll give you a tip that will completely change your face shape. It will make you look more attractive. It will make you more masculine, because most of you guys are making a huge mistake. You're making a huge mistake that's costing you a lot of points and doesn't allow you to look as attractive, doesn't allow you to look as masculine. And in this video, I'll give you the answer. And with that said, let's get started. So the answer to improve your face shape is definitely your facial hair. If you're someone that can grow out your facial hair, you've got an amazing opportunity to shapeshift your face. Because look, my friend, there's a lot of you guys out there that overlook this part. The way you actually shapeshift your facial hair has a huge impact on your face shape. Because for example, today I went to the barber and I've tried something new. So usually this part is a little bit shorter, but today I decided to keep it a bit longer, and now my chin is a little bit more forwardly projected. So I look more masculine, I give more of a masculine vibe. Some people might say I look a bit older, and some individuals might say I look quote unquote more evil because I've got more of this bad boy look. And this is solely based by shape shifting your facial hair, because with your facial hair you can do a lot of things. If you allow more facial hair here and less facial hair over here, so around this area, you've got more of a defined chiseled look, even though if you don't have a chiseled jawline. And these are little tips and little things that you need to apply when it comes to your own face. I don't know how your face looks like. I don't know how much facial hair you have, and that's why you need to explore different options, different types of facial hairstyles that you need to implement to get a better face shape. Because if you do this right, you can look more masculine and attractive. And isn't that something that all of us want? So the next time you're about to trim off your facial hair, think about this video again. Think about all of the opportunities you can have to look more masculine and attractive.